All right, let's dive into something super cool today. How to make any number using exactly 4 pies. Yeah, you heard that right. 4 pies and some basic math operations can get us any integer we want. Let's see how this works. So the challenge is to use exactly 4 pies, along with stuff like addition, subtraction, logarithms, square roots, the usual math toolkit, to create any whole number. Let's start with a simple example, making the number 2. Here's the game plan. We're going to build the number 2 step by step, using 4 pies and some clever operations. Ready? Let's jump in. Okay, here's the full expression to make 2. It looks a bit wild, but don't worry. We're going to break it down piece by piece. Whoa, that's a mouthful. Let's take it slow and unpack this step by step to see how it equals 2. First up, we've got these nested square roots of pi. That's 2 of our 4 pies right there. This is like taking the square root of pi and then the square root of that result. This simplifies to pi to the power of 1/4. Think of it as pi raised to a fractional exponent. It's just a cleaner way to write those nested roots. Got it? Cool, let's move to the next part. Now, we take the natural log of that result and divide it by the natural log of pi. That's our third pi showing up. This step is like comparing the growth of our nested square roots to pi itself. When we simplify this, it becomes ln of pi to the 1/4 divided by ln pi, which boils down to 1/4. Super neat, right? We're getting somewhere. All right, we're halfway there. Let's keep going. Next, we take the natural log of that 1/4 and slap a negative sign on it. This is starting to shape the numerator of our big expression. This simplifies to negative ln of 1/4, which is the same as 2 times ln 2. That's a key piece of our puzzle. We're so close now. Just one more piece to tackle. Here's where our 4th pi comes in. We've got the natural log of negative cosine pi minus cosine pi. That's 2 more pies, giving us our total of 4. Now, cosine of pi is -1, so this becomes ln of minus 1 minus 1, which is ln of 2. Look at that. It's super clean. All right, let's put it all together. We take our numerator, 2ln2, and divide it by our denominator, ln2. The ln2's cancel out, and boom, we're left with 2. We did it! Using exactly 4 pies, we've made the number 2. Pretty awesome, right? But here's the really cool part. This trick works for any integer, not just 2. Check out this general formula for any number n greater than or equal to 1. This formula uses the same idea. We just tweak the number of square roots based on the number we want. And yep, it still uses exactly 4 pies. There they are. Our 4 pies, doing all the heavy lifting. Whether it's 1, 2, 10, or even 100, this formula can make it happen. So there you have it. With just 4 pies and some clever math, we can create any whole number we want. Math is wild, isn't it? Thanks for joining me on this pi-powered adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of math.